In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create milestones in a Gantt chart in Smartsheet so you can track important project checkpoints and key deliverables. First, open your Smartsheet project sheet and make sure Gantt view is enabled. Next, identify the important events or checkpoints you want to track, such as project launch dates, approvals, major deliverables, or project completion dates. Add a new row for each milestone you want to create and enter a descriptive name in the primary column. Then set the milestone date in the appropriate date column. To turn the row into a milestone, set the duration value to 0 days. Smartsheet automatically recognizes 0 duration tasks as milestones. Once the duration is set to 0, the milestone will appear as a diamond symbol on the Gantt chart instead of a standard taskbar. Repeat this process for any additional milestones throughout your project timeline. If needed, you can also create dependencies between tasks and milestones to show how project activities lead up to important checkpoints. Review your Gantt chart to ensure all milestones appear in the correct locations and accurately represent your project's key events. Milestones help stakeholders quickly identify major achievements, deadlines, and project goals without reviewing every task in the schedule. That's it. You've successfully created milestones in a Gantt chart in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching.